One of the biggest challenges students have is their inability to choose the right project topics for themselves. Many students use 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month to generate their research project topics, only for the supervisor to reject them. So, how do you choose acceptable research project topic? Now, the first thing you have to do is that, because I will give you 5 steps. The first step is that ask yourself the question: what is your area of interest? So the first thing is that you have to work on basically on your area of interest. Now, for example, you ask yourself that, which aspect of my course do I enjoy most? Which aspect of my course do I really want to learn more about? So once you have your area of interest, your research project journey become easy. Step two is identify a problem. A good research work starts with the identification of problems that need solution. So the first thing is that look around your environment, look at your working place, look around the schools, even in that your academic career, look at it. What issues can you identify? What issues that need attentions? What issues that need solution? So when you get those problems, you are already some ways ahead. Now, the third step is that you have to read recent studies. Now, a good researcher must be able to read the recent journals, articles, and even some research that maybe that just been done some months ago, some years ago, not maybe like 4 years, 5 years. You have to go through them, identify those gaps that needed to be studied, identify questions that are unanswered, or probably some research that needs further investigations. So once you are able to do this, you're already some ways ahead. Now, step four is that there is a need for you to narrow your focus. Now, as a researcher, you don't just study, maybe as a student, now you don't study Nigeria as a whole, you don't even study a state as a whole. Sometimes you focus on a particular group, you focus on a particular location. The purpose is that you will be able to manage them, you will be able to carry out your research at the right time. Because you don't narrow your focus, when you have a broad topic, a broad population, you are going to have a tough time. And at the end of the day, you will have the topic being rejected. Now, the final steps is that test your topic. Now, as a researcher, there is a need for you to test your topic. Now, you ask yourself question like, can I get adequate